To set up a Svelte project locally, we need to first have the latest version of Node and npm installed. Then in the terminal, run npx degit sveltejs/template, followed by our project name. This will create a standard Svelte project using rollup as the bundler. We'll then need to cd into the project directory and run npm install to install all the dependencies. After it's finished, we can open the project in VS Code and run npm run dev to spin up a development server on the port 5000. The app.svelte file is now located in the src source code directory. To create an optimized production build of our app, simply run npm run build. This will generate a production build in the public subdirectory in our project, which we can then publish to a server.